Welcome back, everyone, as we head out from Mystic Seaport, Connecticut, and we are on our way to Watch Hill, Rhode Island, and from there, Block Island, Rhode Island, and from there we even hit up Point Judith to get some fuel. We take some bikes around to see the lighthouse, hit up the bakery boat, and some delicious food as always. We have some stowaways on board. We have Mimi and Bailey and Bryan, and we get to celebrate Bryan's birthday. We have a lot of fun, so stick around. During the winter, it's all work, but when summer hits, you'll find us down the Jersey Shore. Meet Bailey, RJ, Rob, and Tia. We've spent every summer down here, about as far back as I can remember, but we find our balance in the adventure as we explore as much of the Atlantic coast as we can. We haven't sold everything to live on the water yet, but join us on the Vessel Sláinte.
Afternoon crew, Captain's Log Sunday. We are in Watch Hill, Rhode Island. We left Mystic earlier today, and cruised on over here in a little bit of fog. Captain Bryan did an excellent job piloting the craft. We made it here in one piece. We were able to toss Mimi into the dinghy and go ashore and manage to spend a little bit of money. Shocker. So we're back to get a little refreshed, maybe have some dinner, and we're heading to Block Island either this evening or tomorrow, possibly this evening. So the weather's great at the moment, crew's happy, and all's well. So carry on. Sláinte.
Stand firm when the wind tries knocking you down. First we must be lost, seek to be found. I guess I realized that I need help. You can never conquer demons all by yourself. All the hypocrites seem to say, take it on the chin, you'll be A-okay, yeah. What do you need when you get what you want? I've been searching right where I belong. What do you need when you get what you want? Keep your feet on the ground and see the good love, good love, good love's all around.
Ooh, yeah.
Yummy.
Nice job, crew.
Pranked.
So we saw the bakery boat go by, but everybody wasn't ready yet. So now we are trying to flag him down on Block Island. Usually comes around 9 o'clock, so it's 8:30, so it's a little early, but hopefully we can flag him down and get some breakfast.
Hello, bakery boat. This is Vessel Sláinte. Hello, bakery boat. This is Vessel Sláinte. We're by the north end with the two houses. I think we missed you. If you could come on back when you get a chance. Over.
I'm coming through that way. When you see me, please give me a wave.
Will do. Thank you.
These are the moves I want to see. I can't see, but you give me a wave.
Great.
All right.
have stuffed croissants as well, spinach romano cheese or ham and cheddar cheese. Some fruit cups or yogurt parfaits. This is the healthy department. If you're looking for some calories and sticky stuff, I have buns, muffins, glazed donuts, apple fritters, cheese Danish croissants.
Oh my
And I have
gosh.
some hot coffee, and I believe I have fresh squeezed and bottled orange juice in the cooler as well. That's
Oh
all I
my
can say.
gosh.
I'll take a bacon, egg, and
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Lift me up now. Yeah, I think I need another drag. Lift me up. Yeah, meet me around the back. Tomorrow comes and we run dry. I only need to call him one time. It don't take long for him to show.
This is birthday boy over here.
Oh,
Enjoy your birthday, sir. Happy birthday.
that's so great.
You want it on the Alamo?
Yes.
Oh, the Alamo! Oh, the Alamo!
Just gotta run it back. Yeah, I said lift me up. Yeah, I think I need another drag. Lift me up. Yeah, meet me right around the back. And I just wanted to hear him say, lift me up. Lift me up now. Yeah, I think I need another drag. Lift me up. Yeah, meet me around the back. Lift me up. Just like a cool breeze, you come through, ease my troubled mind. Just like a palm tree, you throw shade, wave goodbye. Take me away, take me away to paradise. Take me away. Take me away to paradise. Just like a calm sea, you float my boat as I sail on by. Just like a lost beach. Take me away to paradise. Take me away. Take me away to paradise. Take me away. Take me away to paradise. Just like an old friend, I never want to lose your sight. I know that you can make everything feel alright. Take me away. Take me away to paradise. Take me away. Take me away to paradise. Take me away.
Holy moly. Hello, ladies.
Cause every day could be a holiday. The pressure man is just a call away. And when our golly gonna come around, and when it comes, we're gonna burn it down. And he don't stay here for a long time.
Korean short rib,
There's more sauce.
bacon wrapped pork medallion, kale salad, fresh from the farm stand. Thank you, Bryan. And zucchini.
You were pranked.
Breakfast of champions. What do we have here?
Some stir fry.
I went with the standard omelet and ham for breakfast.
Well done.
Stir fry is another good option.
And mine is
And yours was shot in the beer? Oh, fruit. Sorry. Nice. So that big tugboat over here, you can see over my shoulder. The launch driver was telling us that the owner is a guy on the island that has a well drilling company, and he bought it several years back for the value of the fuel in the tanks, which was like 30,000 gallons of diesel. So whatever that was worth at the time is what he paid for it. So he brought it here, he anchored it, and he lets his workers live on it for the summer. Not clear whether it sits there all winter or if they take it away and bring it back, but thought that was kind of a neat story.
Cause every day could be a holiday. The fisherman is just a call away. And when our golly gonna come around, and when it comes, we're gonna burn it down. And he don't stay here for a long time, but when it comes, we'll have a good time. And we could stay right here all day. And I just wanted to hear him say, lift me up. Said I just got a brand new bag. Lift me up now. Yeah, I think I need another drag. Lift me up. Yeah, meet me around the back. Tomorrow comes and we have run dry.
And that's a wrap on the first leg of the Stowaways journey. We are headed to Newport, Rhode Island next, and even Mimi's Beach, if you remember from last season. If not, go check out that episode. We're headed there again, and we had a lot of fun with the double birthday weekend, and we're on our way, so stay tuned.
Just want to